Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one problem in trial balance. Let's see. In left hand side you can see the problem. The informations are given. Purchases 60,000, reserve fund 20,000, sales 1 lakh, etc. It's given. Okay. And right hand side you can see the solution of this particular problem. Here it is the format for the trial balance, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So, first information in our problem, purchases 60,000 rupees. Purchases, whether it is a debit or credit balance. Usually it will be a debit balance. So, we have to enter in the debit column. And next information is reserve fund. Reserve is created out of the profit. Okay, every year they will keep some amount as reserve for meeting the contingencies. So this we should enter in the credit side of the trial balance, that is credit column. Coming to the sales, I already told that is sales always credit, so you can enter in the credit column. Purchase return. Purchases we usually debit. Purchase return usually credit. Okay. So in this we have to enter in the credit column. Then sales return. Sales always credit and sales return always debit. So we want to enter in the debit. Opening stock. Opening stock 30,000 is given, so it's a debit. And expenses, debit all expenses, the rule should apply. So in that expenses 20,000 rupees to be entered in the debit for trial balance. And outstanding expenses is nothing but that is expenses yet to meet. In that it's a liability, it has to be entered in the credit side of the trial, that is credit column. And bank balance, it's given data, so we should enter in the debit. Coming to the assets always debit, that is for passing the journal entries. If you see whether assets have been purchased, what will be the journal entry? Asset account debtor to cash. That means when we are purchasing the asset means debit what comes in. The name of the asset should be debited. So fixed asset should be debited and cash goes out if we purchase anything. So in that aspect we have to credit cash. So in this trial balance fixed asset should be entered in the debit. Coming to the data's name itself, we can very well know about it will come under the debit column. Then creditors 30,000 it's given, so creditors it is also name itself we can indicate, it will surely come in the credit side. And last one is capital. Capital 94,000 is given, so capital is nothing but the amount or received from various shareholders of the business. So at any point of time they have to return it back to the shareholders. So in this way it is a liability, so it should be entered in the credit side. And if we total debit column and credit column separately, in this problem we are getting 2,47,000 in debit and credit respectively. In this way we should tally the trial balance. Hope you all understand this problem explained today. We shall see remaining problem in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.